So here's a picture of all the power supplies before they're fully put back together. Once they're like this, I need to finish wiring up the main 112 volts on them and then put the cases back on them. Okay, so I got this one all back together, and you can see it's got the little plastic screws there, and then you might be able to see the washer that's up in there to get the plate or the board away from the case. So got that one put back together, and then the rest of them will be put back together and they'll all be stacked up. Alright, so I got them all screwed back together and get on with the soldering. And so I think that's what I'm going to do, is have it look like this. And then on the other side, got all the, with the contacts, so I'll just daisy chain all of them up and just figure out what I'm going to do first, and then I'll execute. Alright, so I got them all screwed and put back together. And actually I think I will keep it like this, because it'll make the wiring on the back side a little bit easier for all the daisy chain going up. And then it'll just make it to where it's just one long, tall briefcase type thing, and I'll have a handle on top for it. Alright, so I have finished the build for the power supply. I've got all of the wires daisy chained up, and here's my positive and negative coming out. So let's go ahead and plug it in. And it powers on. You go look at the green lights. Green lights are on. And we can look at the volts. It's difficult with just one hand. So close. Hold on. Oh my goodness. So we have 61 volts. So that will charge up the battery pack. What I need is 58 volts. So that's all good. And yeah, good to go. And then I've also got this one here in case I want to go to 72 volts or so. And I actually may put in another output here so I can have a 48 volt